this video, you will learn to carefully interpret the instructions and expectations of an assignment, understand the required format, length, and citation style, how to plan your time and process for drafting and revision, and how to identify the appropriate research sources and structures. Before you begin any academic project, make sure you fully understand what is being asked of you. Start by reading the instructions carefully. What format is required? Is it an essay, a presentation, a report, or a reflective piece? Each of these genres has different conventions, structures, and levels of formality. Check the required length of the assignment. Is there a word or page count? Are there specific formatting guidelines or a required citation style? Knowing this at the start will help you plan and structure your writing more effectively. If your course provides a grading rubric, download it or request it from your instructor. A helpful strategy is to convert the rubric into a checklist. Before submitting your work, make sure each item has been addressed in your assignment. After clarifying the instructions, the next step is to plan your time. How much time do you have until the deadline? Break your assignment timeline into manageable stages. Effective time management also includes identifying when and how you will gather feedback. Will you be seeking help from the Writing and Study Skills Center or from your instructor during office hours? Don't wait until the last minute to ask for help. Book office hours or writing center appointments early and come prepared with a specific question or two. This focused approach allows you to get actionable advice during short consultations. Different assignments follow different structures. Academic essays often follow an introduction, body, conclusion format, while lab reports and research papers may follow a formal structure like IMRAD, introduction, methods, results, and discussion. Familiarize yourself with the format expected for your assignment. Also ask yourself, what is the purpose of the assignment? Understanding the assignment's goal will help you focus your ideas and meet your instructor's expectations. Are you being asked to analyze, argue, describe, reflect, or synthesize information? This includes tone and voice. Will you be using a first person or maintaining an objective third person voice? Is the assignment meant to be personal, analytical, or argumentative? If you're unsure, review examples provided by your instructor or consult a writing guide. Another important consideration is whether academic sources are required. If so, determine what kind of sources are acceptable. Are academic sources necessary, such as peer-reviewed journal articles and scholarly books, or can you use websites or news media? Some assignments may require primary sources, while others emphasize secondary analysis. Primary sources are original materials from the time or topic you're studying. These could include things like interviews, historical documents, data from experiments, or original works of art. Secondary sources, on the other hand, analyze or interpret those primary materials. Think of textbooks, scholarly articles, or reviews. Knowing which type your assignment requires helps you choose the sources that best support your argument. When your instructor asks for primary sources, they want you to work directly with the original evidence. When they emphasize secondary source analysis, they expect you to engage with scholars' interpretations and situate your argument within that conversation. Knowing how to access academic sources through the library catalog, databases, and subject-specific guides is essential. If you're unfamiliar with the tools available to you, consider booking a session with your subject librarian. In this video, you have learned how to carefully interpret the instructions and expectations of an assignment, understand the required format, length, and citation style, how to plan your time and process for drafting and revision, and how to identify the appropriate research sources and structures.